Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford F-150 generation from year 2009 to year 2014. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where the fuse is located, guys, okay, for the SYNC system, Microsoft SYNC system. Stay with us, we'll explain where that SYNC fuse is located, why it's a good idea to test fuses, and where you can buy cheap fuses and relays from. All that will be covered today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. On this channel you will find all the fuse videos on Ford F-150. We're going to make video for every single fuse, so if you're on the road, stuck in the middle of somewhere, you need to find a specific fuse, you can just come to the channel, search for it, find it in less than, let's say, 30 seconds. You don't even need to pull your manual out of the glove box, and most of the times you will be even missing this one. Something else, guys, we take cars here at the garage and we take them completely apart. We fix engines, transmissions, bodywork. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. And the mechanical work, guys, okay, electric codes and things like that can be found on our main YouTube channels. Those are our older channels, and this one is our new channel where we're going to share just fuses, so we can make it really convenient for you to find the information that you need. Now, if you need to buy replacement fuses, relays for your Ford F-150, because those can be really expensive at the parts store or the dealership, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can get them at a really good price and quick shipping as well. So let's continue. Specifically, we're going to demonstrate on 2012 Ford F-150, but even if you have one that's a different year, it will work as well, guys, for that generation, most likely. Now, you will have two fuse boxes. One fuse box is right under the hood on your F-150, but we don't need this one. We need to find the one for the body control module, and that's located inside your vehicle under the glove box right here. And if you go, guys, on the right side on that panel, remove the plastic, you will open the fuse box and it will look just like that. By zooming it here, we can show you everything with a great detail. Now, before we explain which fuse it is, let's explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays so you don't waste your money and time. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So if you come on the very left side right here, guys, okay, that's where we'll be working. Even if you have a missing fuse, you still count that spot. You need to find fuse number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That 10M fuse, guys, that's the SYNC fuse right here. If your SYNC system does not work, check, guys, that 10M fuse. Now, if you need to buy cheap fuses and relays at a good price, check out the link in the description of the video below. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.